Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2021. It's the 9th match in round 2. Scores are Titchfield High on 6, Vere Technical High on 4. And now it's time for the Speed Challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Titchfield High, it's time for your first minute. Titchfield, which book of the Bible has a name which means mass departure?
Exodus.
Exodus.
Correct. Which blood cells in the body are used for clotting?
Clotting. Platelets.
Platelet.
Correct. What is the suffix ACY as used
State
in
of.
the... Pardon?
State of.
Yes.
Good.
State or quality. On what date was the general election in Jamaica in 2020?
September 3rd, 2020.
Yes. What is the capital of Antigua and Barbuda?
St. John's.
Correct. What name is given to the line which is 23.5 degrees north latitude?
Tropic of Cancer.
Correct. Which artist recorded the song Cardigan?
Cardigan. Taylor Swift.
Yes. What is the chemical element with atomic number 47?
47.
Silver.
Correct. What is the next number in the series 80, 10, 70, 15, 60?
Pass.
20. What planet are the Transformers from in the movie franchise Transformers?
Mars.
No, Cybertron. In what year did an earthquake destroy Port Royal in Jamaica?
692.
Correct. Which high school did Olympic star Usain Bolt attend?
William the Memorial.
Yes. And that's the bell. End of the first minute for Titchfield. Now we go to Vere Technical for their first minute. Vere, which of the New Testament Gospels is not synoptic?
John.
Yes. What is the name for cells that build bone tissue in the body?
Pass.
Osteoblasts. By substituting the current suffix, give the opposite of harmful.
Harmless.
Correct. How many seats did the Jamaica Labour Party win in the 2020 general elections?
39.
No, 49. What is the capital of Barbados?
Bridgetown.
Correct. What name is given to the line which is 66.5 degrees south latitude?
Antarctic Circle.
Correct. Which artist recorded the song Watermelon Sugar?
Watermelon sugar.
Pass.
Harry Styles. What is the chemical element with atomic number 78?
78.
Pass. Platinum.
Platinum. What is the next number in the series 2, 6, 18, 54?
81.
No, 162. Who directed the first 5 films of the Transformers franchise?
Nice.
J.J. Abrams.
No, Michael Bay. In what year was Henry Morgan appointed Lieutenant Governor of Jamaica?
1653.
No, 1673. And that's the bell. End of the first minute for Vere Technical, and now back to Titchfield High for their second minute. All right, please be quiet. Titchfield, what is the name of a force acting opposite to the relative motion of any object moving with respect to a surrounding fluid?
Inertia.
No, drag. What is the English translation for the Spanish El agua nuevo?
Nuevo. One.
New water.
Correct. Complete the title of this novel. Their eyes were watching.
God.
Correct. Complete the Jamaican proverb. If you see everybody around.
Take time.
Correct. In the Bible, who was Rachel's father?
Rachel.
Lemon.
Correct. What is the long coiled tube-like organ in the body that removes water from digested food called?
Colon.
Correct. Spell cessation, which means to stop.
Cessation.
S-E.
No,
C.
C-E-S-S-A-T-I-O-N. Who is the member of parliament for Kingston Western in Jamaica?
Kingston West.
Does Mackenzie?
Correct. Of which American state is Boston the capital?
Massachusetts.
Correct. Which is the third largest continent by land mass?
South America.
No, North America. In 2006, who released her first solo album called Duchess?
Duchess. Fergie.
Correct. What is the atomic number? And we're going to hold that one. That's the end of the second minute for Titchfield. Now we go back to their Technical High for their second minute. Vere Tech, which high school did Olympic star Shelley Ann Fraser Price attend?
Edwin Allen High.
No, Woolmer's School for Girls. What is the name of a vector field that describes the magnetic influence on moving electric charges?
Magnetic field.
Magnetic field.
Yes. What is the English translation for the Spanish La película pequeña?
Película pequeña.
Small. Hairdresser.
No, small film or movie. Complete the title of this novel, The Catcher in the...
Right.
Correct. Complete the Jamaican proverb, Blackboard Sefi'im.
Pass.
Pickney Foss. In the Bible, Absalom's father was a king. Who was he?
David.
Correct. What is the chamber that begins at the end of the large intestine, immediately following the sigmoid colon, and ends at the anus called?
Cacum.
No, rectum. Spell dichotomy, which means entirely different.
Dichotomy.
Correct. Who's the Member of Parliament for Kingston Central in Jamaica?
Donovan Williams.
Correct. Of which American state is Atlanta the capital?
Georgia.
Correct. What is the second largest continent by land mass?
Africa.
Where?
Africa.
Yes. And we'll accept that. Came before the bell. All right, this is the third and final minute for Titchfield High, and we begin. What is the atomic number for the element tantalum?
Tantalum.
73.
Correct. What is the least common multiple of 36 and 100?
36, 100. 360.
No, 900. Who voices the character of adult Tim, the narrator, in the 2017 animation film The Boss Baby?
Tom Hanks.
No, Toby Maguire. With which country was the Orange Revolution of 2004 to
South
2005 associated?
Kazakhstan.
No, Ukraine. Who were the athletes of the decade 2011 to 2020 in the RGR Gleaner Sportsman of the Year Awards 2021?
All right, so
Talia.
Usain Bolt and Ali Atkinson.
No, Usain Bolt and Shelley Ann Fraser Price. In the formula for intensity, I equals P over A, what does the A represent?
Amplitude.
No, area. What is the English translation for the Spanish adjective frío?
Frio. Cold.
Correct. Who is the author of the novel Bridge to Terabithia?
And James.
No, Catherine Patterson. In which Jamaican parish is the place name Sheikh Hand Market?
Shake on
Sheikh Mark. Manchester.
No, Portland. In the Bible, who was the fifth? And that's it. That's the bell, end of the third and final minute for Titchfield High. And now we go back to Vere for their third and final minute. Vere, which artist released 3 prison-themed albums called Trouble, Convicted, and Freedom?
Buju Banton. Buju Banton.
Incorrect. Akon. What is the atomic number for bismuth?
Bismuth.
84.
84.
No, 83. What is the least common multiple of 26 and 34?
370.
No, 442. Who voices the character of Theodore Ted Templeton in the 2017 animation
Pass.
film Alec Baldwin? What was the period of the Mexican War of Independence?
1846 to 1848, which is 2 years.
1808 to 1821. Who was the female athlete of the decade 2001 to 2010 in the RGR Gleaner Sportsman of the Year Award?
Ali Atkinson.
No, Veronica Campbell Brown. Complete the equation. Wave speed equals frequency times.
Velocity.
Amplitude.
Velocity.
No, wavelength. What is the English translation for the Spanish adjective fácil?
Facile. Pass.
Easy. Who is the author of the novel The Little Prince?
Louisa May Alcott.
No, Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. And that bell signifies the end of the third and final minute for Vere and the end of our speed challenge. Let's see the scores. Titchfield High on 26 and Vere Technical High on 15. When we come back, it's the exciting buzzer challenge which will decide our winners. Stay tuned. This 9th match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Season 2021 returns right after this.